Hello guys, welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can make money with LUNO or Crypto Exchange. So we all know that LUNO Exchange is a spot trading exchange that we use to simply buy and sell cryptocurrency. So if you want to make money with spot trading, you simply have to buy low and then sell high. And this is how exactly you can make money. But then a lot of people don't know when exactly they should be buying and when exactly they should be selling. And this is the reason why I'm recording this video, and I'm going to show you a trick and pretty much everything that you need to know for you to make money using spot trading. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So guys, keep in mind that this trick I'm going to show you in this video works pretty much on derivatives and spot trading. So if you don't know what derivatives are, make sure you watch this video titled how I make money 200 daily, and this is why I explained my derivative strategy of how I make money. Just like this one, I'm making like almost $900 in profit. So these are like derivative futures contracts or futures trading. So this is also important, but today we want to talk about how exactly we're going to make money with spot trading. So with spot trading, we're simply going to be buying low and selling high. All right, so for example, for those who are using LUNO Exchange, we all know that LUNO Exchange does not have derivatives or futures trading, and the only way to make money with LUNO is to buy low and sell high. But then, like, many people don't know when exactly they should be buying and when exactly they should be selling, because like if we take a look at this graph right here on LUNO, we would notice that the price of Bitcoin has gone up by 100,000 in South African rand, because I'm in South Africa right now, so I'm using rands. Okay, so right here, this is BTC to South African rand, and if we put like daily candles, just like right here, daily candles, so you'd notice that this month only Bitcoin has gone up by 20%, something like that, and it has made over, like, it has gone up by 100,000. So many people don't know when exactly they should be buying and when exactly they should be selling, and a lot of people have missed this pump right here. Let's say if you would have put like 10,000, you would have made at least 2.5 by now in South African rand, but then a lot of people have missed out this pump, and this is how exactly I also made, like, over $900 right now, because you can see that I entered at the bottom right here, and I entered around 27,000, which is the bottom of this whole pump. So I entered early, and the question is, how did I know that the price of Bitcoin might pump? And this is the reason why we are going to talk about buying low and selling high in this video, and I'll explain to you the tools and pretty much anything I use to spot these bottoms and tops. All right, so what you're looking at right here is a trading view, and for those who don't know what trading view is, we use trading view to do pretty much technical analysis. And if you're using a phone, don't worry, they have an app called trading view. You can simply download it, or you can also find it in the description of this video. So trading view is used to do pretty much technical analysis, like drawing stuff like this and stuff like that. But if you don't know how to draw this, well, I have a tool that I use, and this tool is called Heavy Crypto Indicator, and this is what exactly I use to spot these bottoms and make money with spot trading and derivatives crypto trading. So for example, right here, you can see that this is LUNO, and then we had the bottom right here, we had the bottom right here, and we had the bottom right here, and a lot of people missed these bottoms because they simply don't have necessary tools to find these bottoms and make money with spot trading and derivatives trading. And so this is exactly what I want to show you, how exactly you can find these bottoms and make money when the price of Bitcoin is going up, because you only make money if the price of Bitcoin goes up or any crypto assets that you're trading with goes up. So the tool that I use is called Heavy Crypto Pro. So Heavy Crypto Pro is an indicator that looks like this right here. You can see that right here, this is Bitcoin nifty chart, and there's no way you can spot out the bottoms and the top, and there's no way you can know when exactly you should enter a trade or you should take profit a trade. So if I turn on Heavy Crypto Pro like this, you'll notice that it's going to give me buy and sell signals. All right, so these signals works in real time. For example, right here, I got this signal right here, and I entered a trade at the price of 27,300, exactly right there. You can see right here, you can see right here at the 27,300. This is where I entered this trade, and I've been in this trade for more than, like, 2 days right now, and price of Bitcoin has gone up by 20%. Right now it's being traded at 30,400, and this is how exactly I also made like almost like $900. And if you were using spot trading right now, let's say you bought Bitcoin on LUNO Exchange, right now you would be up by 20%. So you can use this tool pretty much on derivatives trading or spot trading. So this tool simply tells you when is good time to buy and when is good time to sell. Okay, for example, when it says sell right here, you should be selling and take profits, and price of Bitcoin is more likely to go down. And when it's time to buy, just like right here, you can see that it actually went up, but then we didn't have momentum to the upside, and then it went down. Speaking of momentum, Heavy Crypto Pro comes with Heavy Crypto Momentum Based Indicator, and this is the indicator that tells you whether you have like momentum for the price of Bitcoin to pump or the price of Bitcoin to go down and stuff like that. And momentum based indicator is an indicator that you saw right here earlier in this video. But other than that, this is pretty much anything that you need. So if you want this tool, I'll leave a link in the description below at the very top of the description. That's where you can be able to get this tool and apply it on your chart, so that you'll be notified on your phone or on your computer when it's good time to be buying and when it's good time to be selling. So this tool works in pretty much like, you know, in real time, as you can see it, and it's very profitable. I've been using it for more than like 2 years right now, and this is how exactly I spot the bottoms and spot the tops and make pretty much a lot of money with crypto. So it works in forex or stocks or pretty much any other platforms that you want to use to trade and all that good stuff. So if you want to really make a lot of money with crypto, do not use naked chart like this one. I recommend that you use tools like Heavy Crypto Pro, Heavy Crypto Momentum Based Indicators. And if you want to learn more about these indicators, make sure you watch this video how I make like $85 every day, or watch this video right here, my secret of making $85 every day. And all these videos are on this channel. And if you want to learn more how exactly you can make money with the LUNO and stuff like that, if you want to learn how to use LUNO app, I made a video on this channel and it's called how to use LUNO app in South Africa, right? And you're gonna find that video on this channel as well. So this is a secret of how exactly you can make money with LUNO. You simply have to set an alert on this Heavy Crypto Momentum Indicator or Heavy Crypto Pro Indicator. So you have to set an alert. So to set an alert, you simply have to go to Heavy Crypto Indicator like this one right here, and then click right here and click Add Alert, and then it's gonna notify me when I receive a signal. So right here it says Heavy Crypto Close 100. You simply just leave it like that. Right here we have to choose what type of an alert. We want to be notified when it's time to buy, or we want to be notified when it's time to sell. So right now, as you can see, Bitcoin is up like this, and then I'm gonna put I want to be notified when it's time to sell. Okay, so right there we click want to be notified when it's time to sell. How many times do you want to get notified? When you want to get notified once. Right here, this is expiration date, and you can name with this an alert. Let's say selling time. Okay, and it's gonna give us a message that it's time to sell, and you create an alert like this, and boom, it's done like that. So when I receive a sell signal, I'm gonna get notified in my phone saying that it's time to be selling, and I'm gonna close my position like this one right here. Like this one right here, right now sitting at $900 in profits, or go to LUNO exchange and then sell all my bitcoins and stuff like that. So it works on VAR, LUNO exchange, Binance, and all other major crypto exchanges that you might name, and all that good stuff. So this is really like a good tool. And guys, feel free to join my WhatsApp channel, because that's where I post pretty much all the updates of what I'm doing in crypto, my positions and stuff like that, and all the analysis. The link to my WhatsApp channel is going to be in the description below, as well as Telegram group. That's where our community is pretty much active. So if you're really like interested in making money in crypto, make sure you stick around to this channel, because in this channel I post pretty much everything about crypto and all that good stuff you need to know about crypto. So this is it. My name is Arthur. I just want to make this video to show you how exactly you can use Heavy Crypto Momentum Based Indicator and Heavy Crypto Pro Indicator to make money with LUNO and spot trading, including derivatives as well. So this is, my name is Arthur. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and therefore I'll see another video. Love and peace, my friends.